Lost in the woods, no way out. Sometimes it's gloomy, sometimes it's dark before the storm. Wow, what if I told you we got over $1 billion, 1B, over $1 billion in grants coming your way? 5-part series. Grants are on the way, people. Grants are on the way that doesn't cost you your soul. 5-part series. Grants for country living, grants for urban living, getting out of the urban areas, being able to make a little money, get a little money there, and get yourself to the country, to the rural areas. Grants from foundations and philanthropists, grants from everywhere for all walks of life. If you want to start medical missionary, or if you wanted to start do something in agricultural, if you just simply want to help the homeless on the street, if you simply want to help the animals or feed the animals, wildlife, the grants are on the way. It's a 5-part series I'll be bringing to you very, very shortly. So let everybody know. Grants is on the way. Help is on the way. Sometime, again, it seems kind of gloomy out. Sometimes it seems kind of dark just before the storm. Sometimes you're lost in the woods. But, our God provides a way. So we did some research. We got a lot of goodies coming your way. So stay tuned for a 5-part series. Each part is awesome. It's designed to bring you resolve and help. Things that don't cost you your life, don't cost you your soul. So get your business ideas together, no matter what it is you want to be, whatever you want to do, and just get ready to put the work in. These grants are going to be so unique and different because here we show you how to also write in your salaries, write in if you want a building or land or whatever you're looking for, how to put all that in here. And these are going to be grants for everybody, not just the U.S. I got Canada, I got Romania, I got Panama, I got the islands, I got the U.K. We got a lot of resolve here. So we got a lot of resolve. God has provided us with an abundance of resources, and you just do your due diligence, your checks, your services, and you'll see lots are coming your way. So let everybody know again. I like tripping up over that because I'm just excited. 5-part series on grants. Grants are coming your way that does not cost you your soul. So there is some resolve here, okay? So stay tuned. I'll get back with this. Brother Kevin, I'm always coming up with something, looking for things for God's people. This time we hit an awesome jackpot. But remember, always put God first in everything you do. So start praying right now. I was just listening to a pastor on his sermon on Sabbath, and it says prayer is the secret to your strength. Prayer is the secret. So when your cell phone, he actually said this too, when you want to charge your cell phone, what do? You put it on charge. If you don't, it dies. Prayer. Prayer in your life. Prayer is your power. So we got some resolve here through prayer. And so you've asked God for answers. Here it is. It's coming your way. Grants, a 5-part series on grants. Grants. There is billions of dollars that goes unclaimed. And you can't say, hey, here's free money. But are grants free money? Question, are grants free money? There's a little work you have to put in. There's things you have to do to meet the requirements, but it's coming your way. Okay? So get ready. 5-part series. I'll launch a few more shorts, giving you insights. I'll give you some details, and then that'll be on the way. You'll know. It's coming soon. Bye now.